left-hand side, there's a Bee Creek. Bee Creek is one of the main tributaries of the waterway. Yeah, one of the main tributaries does a heck of a job. Now, the reason why they call it a Bee Creek, yeah, you know what? Yeah, it's called Bee Creek because it comes right after A Creek. A Creek, B Creek, right before Bee.
That goes deep below the waterline. We get to hear the and I'm not sure when they first start dieselizing these boats though. But I could maybe there's some maybe if we do run into James Cameron, I might ask him. Or Kim Marshall, because he's a historian. It's kind of neat hearing a cat on this thing though.
Have you been on the Titanic Museum here in town?
Well, I've been there, and it seems like now it turned out to be, every time I come down here, it seems like my trips down here, the Titanic, down here to Branson, cannot be complete without that, without a trip over there. Even though the thing says it's handicap accessible, but even though I don't see any elevators though, but if I say, hey, with the ship, with a boat like this, it represents a time back when the handicap access wasn't even thought of yet. I don't know how many times people in wheelchairs press their legislators to make it mandatory though. But probably it was hundreds of times though. Yeah.
Hey, Gracie.
Folks, if you want to know, this is what it's like to run a ship, and this is the captain's eye view of a cruise ship. You only get this in Branson. This is how everything runs, like the pilot house lights, floodlights, searchlights, and you got stuff turned on the porch lights or something though.
Mm-hmm. So where are you from?
St. Louis.
Good place to be from.
Yeah.
Hey, Tim, you gonna drive?
Hey, you doing good. Why don't you step on out there and let me get